I'm at the login for my WordPress site, and I want to add two-step verification to the login. I'm going to jump into the dashboard by logging in and go to plugins. I'm going to add new, and I'm going to search for Google Authenticator. And that'll search and find Google Authenticator. I'll install now. Select OK. And I'm going to activate the plugin. I can see right here that it is installed and activated. So now I need to go to my user profile. This plugin has added a few more settings, and I'm going to have to go in there to basically enable or activate this plugin. So you can go down to users, or you can select up here. That's what I'll do, is click on my username here on the top right, and then here I have my Google Authenticator settings. Currently it's active. It will not be active by default when you install it, so you need to go over here and select that checkbox to activate it. I had this plugin installed before and uninstalled it for this demonstration, and a couple of the settings are still in place from the last. So it's going to provide a secret code, so that's the number there, key token, and I need to plug that into the app that I need to download for my Android phone. So along with this plugin installation on WordPress, you also need to install the companion app for your smartphone for it, and the app is called Google Authenticator. You can find it on Google Play, so it looks something like this, Google Authenticator. Okay. And once you have that installed on your phone, when you open it up, you'll come to something like this. Okay, so you'll add an account, and then you'll select manually add an account, so you can add your Google account, the one that you're signed into on your phone. You'll add that somewhere down here, and then you can scan the barcode or enter a provided key. I tried doing this with the scan a barcode, didn't really work well for me, so I entered a provided key here, and that key is this one. Okay, so you're going to go ahead and plug that into your phone, and it'll take you to a screen like this. That's where you'll plug it in. You'll give it a name, so you can call it pretty much whatever. Leave it at time-based. They have another option down there, but time-based works fine because it's just going to create a new code at a set interval. So with that, you'll create your code, and so you'll come to a screen like this, and it'll give you a code. If you're just doing one, you only see one entry here. Here we see two. It's just some pictures that I pulled from Google Images, but you'll see however many it is that you add here. So you can technically have a few websites that have this Authenticator plugin, and then you come in here and plug in and connect to those here, so you'll see more entries. So you'll get a code like this. You'll see that the timer is right here on the right, and so that'll count down, and once it reaches a full cycle, it'll create a new code for you. Coming back into the dashboard for my WordPress site, I'm going to select active. Got the secret there, and I'm going to plug this into my phone. So I'm going to create, like I showed up here, okay, by entering a provided key. I'm going to enter in the number that it is right here, and I'm going to plug that in there. First I'll name it whatever, probably be just whatever name to identify the site, and with that I'm going to log out. And then right here, there's another box, Google Authenticator code. So that code that it generates for you, right, that's what you're going to have to plug in. That's given to you by the app on your phone. And there it is. I'm logged into my dashboard, and I'm good to go. So that'll add another layer of security for the login page for your WordPress site.